how to use copy command in your AutoCAD. Today we'll learn copy command. Let's start. This one is copy command. I can select from draw panel, and also I can select from shortcut key C O, then press enter from keyboard. Now is command is active. Which object I want to copy? First I will select the object. For example, I will select this object. Now I will select it. Where you want to move, you can click from mouse, right click and select the object, and where you want to move, you can move to easily. I want to move here left side and right side, up side and down side. Which side you want, you can click. I make a downside one light here and go to upside. One light is here. This one is use of copy command. Again, I will select from the draw panel, copy command. I will select here. Now is active the command. If I want to copy this object, I will select from keyboard. I will select this one is. Now I want to copy this three wash basin. Then select right click from mouse. Then click here, second point, and where you want to, this one is copy, you can, I will click here this corner. You see this one is use of copy, this one use of copy command. Thank you.